Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have Mazda 6, stock reference number 5875. This shape ran from 03-2018 to the present. It has a PY VPR 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our PY VPR 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, slight fold at the front, 1 dent, good private. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls, touchscreen display with sat nav, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy leather steering wheel, 3 spokes with audio, cruise and phone buttons.